I'll take a picture of you. I'll take a video of you.
No, it's okay. we got your putt.
Okay, you go, Brett.
No, I don't want
Use your pole to balance.
my pole.
But it was dry by the time we got over there.
Extend your pole max if you want, because it's gonna go a little bit deeper. Oh well, that's a good thing.
You guys go first.
Oh, that's this one.
137. Okay.
Wait, can we go around the side?
Sure.
Remember there's that little side one?
No,
Over there?
you guys,
Other side.
you guys are going through this one.
My shoe's gonna get wet. No matter.
Everybody is gonna get wet.
I need a pole.
Here. Adjust it.
Here, Amy. Oh.
Adjust it though.
Oh.
It's just a clip. And then pull it out. Oh, not too much. Push it in. Okay. Then you can pull also on the bottom.
Oh, it's like a twine.
Yeah.
Oh.
Make it long.
Okay. This might actually make it worse.
Just lean on it. Lose your balance.
Oh, that's nice. Grandma Amy. What did I say? Okay.
All right.
Done.
Like I said, whatever you do, don't drink the water. Look at them. You guys are...
That's intimidating.
Keep going for it. Have fun.
Alright, you guys too. Go. Go.
Pressure.
Just walk in the water.
No.
Like mastering the science and the art. And just like walk through.
We're all quiet, concentrating. I did
It's an obstacle course for me.
Come on, I just like
Oh shit. I'm the one who fell.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm like looking down. Where am I taking the picture?